Hey guys, so I just thought I'd make a quick video on this drill that I got from Altocraft on Amazon. So it's actually not too bad. Battery seems to hold pretty good. I believe it's a Chinese brand. Since USA in 2005. It comes with these drill bits and some other bits, and this piece right here to get in like tight corners. Yeah, you can't with the drill itself. So yeah, it's got different measurements, different settings. 20-volt battery, lithium. So lithium is better than those ion batteries. Yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date, see how this thing does, but seems to be pretty good. They got that light right there. It's not bad for what, 30 bucks that I bought it for. So yeah, let me know if you guys have had this brand or a similar brand, Chinese brand from Amazon, and let me know what you guys think.